Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, in the given problem, these are the two rails which are connected with the help of a resistance R, and the two wheels are moving over these rails which are connected with the help of a metallic axle. The given parameters are: the length of the axle is 1.50 meter, the speed with which it is moving towards the resistance V is given as 3.00 meter per second. This resistance R is 0.400 ohm, and the magnetic field which is getting into the plane of the rails like this magnetic field has been given as 0.080 Tesla inward direction. Now, in the first part of the problem, we have to find the value of current passing through the resistance. So that current will be given by the EMF, the motional EMF induced across the ends of this axle divided by resistance R using Ohm's law. And this EMF, motional EMF, is given by BVL divided by R. So when we put these values, this is 0.08 for magnetic field. Here this is 3 meter per second for the speed, and for length this is 1.50 divided by 0.400 ohm for resistance. So the current passing through the resistance comes out to be 0.9 ampere. This is the answer for the first part of the problem. Now, in the second part of the problem, we have to find the force acting, the magnetic force acting on this axle, which definitely will be in a direction opposite to the direction of motion as per Lenz's law. So the expression for that force, magnetic force, is given as BIL. So again, for magnetic field, this is 0.08. For current, this is 0.9 ampere, and for length, this is 1.5. So in Newton, the force will be 0.108 Newton. Now, in the third part of the problem, we have to find which end of the conductor of this resistance will be at higher potential. So for this purpose, we use Fleming's right hand rule, according to which if we stretch the thumb, the index finger and the middle finger of a right hand such that perpendicular to each other, such that the thumb points in the direction of motion of the conductor, the index finger points in the direction of magnetic field, means downward, then the middle finger gives the direction of current induced in the conductor. So this direction of current comes out to be upward, means from this wheel on the lower rail to the wheel towards the upper rail. So the direction of current in whole of this loop, the direction of current using Fleming's right hand rule, it will come out to be downward, not upward. This direction is downward from upper wheel to the lower wheel. So in this circuit, the direction of current will be clockwise. So it will be moving from B to A. So the direction of current in the circuit is clockwise, means it is from B to A. Hence, the end B of the resistance will be at higher potential. B end is at higher potential. As we know, the current always moves from high potential end to low potential end. So B is at the higher potential. Now, in the last part of the problem, they are saying what will be the direction of current in the circuit, or which of the end of this resistance will be at higher potential when the wheels passes over this resistance. So when the wheels passes over the resistance, the wheels still will be moving towards left like this. So the direction of current induced in the axle still will be downward. So it will be moving now in anti-clockwise direction. The current now will be in anti-clockwise direction, but in the resistance still it will be from B to A. So still the end B will be at higher potential. Thank you.